What happens when hundreds of years of horological tradition meet 10 tons of raw, hydraulic force? Unstoppable power meets precision engineering. Luxury watches are marvels of the human mind. Tiny gears and gold plating represent the pinnacle of craftsmanship and meticulous design. We appreciate them for their beauty and resilience, but today we test their absolute breaking point in a cinematic clash of physics. The machine is ready, a heavy industrial hydraulic press, capable of crushing almost anything in its path, descends with a cold, mechanical hunger. The pressure gauges begin to climb, marking the final seconds of these mechanical masterpieces as the air grows thick with tension. First up, a stunning blue dial watch. As the steel plate makes contact, the sapphire crystal, the hardest glass, shatters into 1,000 shards. Watch as the internal gears snap under the relentless weight. The metal casing begins to buckle, yielding to the overwhelming force from above. Now, a comparison. Gold is soft and malleable, while hardened steel is built for endurance. Let's see how they handle the pressure. Watch the gold case deform smoothly, almost like clay, while the steel watch fights back, refusing to yield until the very end. The steel eventually fails, throwing bright sparks as the metal grinds against metal. It is a violent, beautiful display of physics in action. The skeleton watch reveals its inner soul. In ultra-slow motion, you can see the intricate movement seize up as the plates close in. Wheels fly apart and springs unravel as 10 tons of pressure force the delicate components to surrender their form forever. This is the absolute limit. We are cranking the torque to the maximum. There is no escape from the unstoppable descent of the press. The final luxury piece is being flattened into a thin disk of metallic debris. The mechanical heart of the watch is silenced permanently. Look at what remains: mangled springs, crushed gold, and fragments of shattered sapphire. It is the death of a precision instrument. This proves that no matter the craftsmanship, the laws of physics are the ultimate authority. Even the finest art must face the force. Every creation has its limit. Today, we saw the boundary of engineering. Join us next time as we explore the breaking point of luxury.